What's going on, man? We back, another video on the Broham, man. Today we took apart the rear end. We trying to figure out how to get these bumper fillers in here correctly, because the guy I got it from, and I don't know, man, he just did not, I guess, have all the stuff on here right. So for the longest time when I got it, the bumper fillers were actually just sitting in the car. They weren't like bolted down or anything, so I'm trying to find bolts for that. And I'm also trying to replace the center filler on the bumper because it's missing. So I didn't realize it was that intricate in getting it off and getting it replaced. So I seen a couple of other videos, and then my foreman, he's actually an older guy. He's like, yeah, you got to take the entire bumper off to replace that center filler. So I guess that's what we're about to do. I'm about to get it. I got it off, so I need to get it laid out and figure out how to replace it. So let me show y'all that. So I got it off. Easy to get these off, man. It's literally just like 4 bolts here and 4 bolts here that hold them on. But the piece I really need to replace is this piece here. And I got one from AccuTrim, and I went ahead and painted it with the same paint, like touch-up paint that I bought from Express Paint to match the car, as well as trying to respray these and get these painted up and back on the car the best I can, because they don't have any bolts in them, I guess. But yeah, like I said, it came off fairly easy. We're actually gonna shine this up too, clean up all this rusted frame and spray it down with some rust inhibitor and like coat it black to where it don't look all crazy under there, and then get these repainted and back on. But let me grab something and throw down underneath this bumper, and then we'll start taking it apart. Yes, it will go back on. So I got it off, and I guess you gotta pull every last one of these 13 millimeters off, and you gotta kind of realign these rubber strips with it, I guess, because they keep moisture out of the bumper. So that's what we're about to do really fast, get this taken apart. And then once we get it apart, see how this, I think this trim ring right here comes out, and this trim ring will come out, and then we can stick that bumper piece in and put it all back together. So let's go ahead and get to it. I had like 20 of these. Hopefully that didn't fall apart. If it did, I'm pissed. Don't get all bolt banging. Oh well. Always one. Square. Oh my God. Oh crap. Slap it out. Look how many of them broke. Well, no. Only like 2 of them broke, I think. Oh, no, that one broke. That one broke. Oh, so there's a whole hornet's nest in here. Got a hornet's nest in there.
Oh, don't throw it in the driveway.
Maybe so I think these little castle nuts here, that's what I gotta get off, but I can't tell if those are 10mm or not. Yep, a 10. And I don't got a ratchet. Let me see. Oh my god. Well, I hate working at home. I never have all the adequate tools I need, but we'll make it work. Really just trim nuts so it ain't coming off. What I need to do now, I got this off, is now that that's off, you literally pull this off is the main reason for this to fit. Kind of gotta clean everything else out in between here. Which I'll get my vacuum and clean all of this out. Get my vacuum. Way it won't be all dirty inside, but this actually sits down. See if I can stand this back up. This actually goes in here. Like this, but I don't think it's stuck. I put that in here. This thing is trying to get it to fit in there. Get it on, and then this piece goes over it. But as with everything aftermarket, it ain't fitting right, so this should all sit together like that inside here. But first I gotta figure out why I can't get it to fit in here. Like all the old is gone, there's no anything in there. Yeah, everything's out. Everything's out. I guess pick it up a little bit. See if we can squeeze in there just a little bit. This will fit down inside. Okay, so it's the middle section that's not fitting. It's right in the middle.
Oh my god.
Oh, I broke that. Did I scare you?
Yeah.
You'll be alright. Golly. Scared you. Can't be scared. I'm trying to get it up. Just slide Thing about old cars, nothing ever works the way it should. It should just slide into this gap, but that ain't working that way. So, what do I need to do here? Get this to fit. I need to get the plastic up, just with a bumper up a little bit, or I just kind of shove this in, but it's like the middle section is way too tight. It's just chipping the paint off, but that's part of it, so we'll see what we can do here. I keep trying to. That's this little portion right here. That is. Why won't you just fit in the hole? It's right in the center that just won't fit. Everything else fits, but the center just doesn't fit. Center. Now with that back, that I still can't put the ring in it like it's supposed to go. It needs to be way back further, so I need to get trim. Anyway, I'm gonna keep trying to fit this in here, and we'll turn y'all back on once I figure this out. Now I got it in there. But the thing is now, it's still not deep enough because you can still see the holes. And when I go to put it back on the car, this will be overhanging out a little bit, but breaks off, falls off. If they make a piece, a replacement piece for that spot too, which I'll have to wind up getting and taking the tag bracket off and placing it. It's just a disaster. But think we're gonna lay this back down, put those back on, and have to run those autos on and pick up the rest.
Stop throwing it in the driveway.
So, I was able to get the center trim ring in there, but about 90% of my clips broke, so I gotta go to O'Reilly's, get all new clips so I can replace them. Anyway, I'm gonna save y'all all the boring stuff. Run to O'Reilly's, grab all this stuff. We're gonna get all these painted up and then clean up the rear trim on the bumper, get it all sprayed out, painted black, and then we'll put it back together probably tomorrow. Show y'all what it looks like once we get it all back together. But I think that looks so much better with the piece, the trim piece back in the car. That one's in. Gotta get these painted up, match, because this one is just blank. As you can see, that fell out. This one's just blank, so it needs to be painted to match that one. Anyway, we're gonna keep trucking on this one, man. It's probably gonna be a part 2 of this video tomorrow because it's hot and I gotta grab the rest of the parts. So anyway, y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and we're gonna see y'all probably tomorrow finishing this video. So see y'all in the next video.